had so much fun with my guys. I swear, it was real fun. You could imagine anything that could happen there. Naked girls, dancing. That is my favorite part. How I wish you were there. Fun.
Cheating. When will you ever stop this your useless lifestyle? When?
Angela, are you trying to insult me? Or you have just insulted me? Listen, let me tell you, whatever advice you have for me, keep it for yourself. And for any man out there who you are going out with. Do you understand? Why always judge me? No more fun. It is now something to bother about. I'm simply having fun. That.
Hey, Chita, did you suffer it?
Yes, yes. Okay, let me. Wait. Where on earth do you think you are coming from?
Oh please, Chidi, let him be.
Angela, let me take my drugs. I will join you, okay?
Hey, wait. Come. Do I look like a fool to you? I asked you a simple question and you are walking out on me. Are you mad? Angela, look.
Chidi, what's the meaning of this? Let him go!
Someone you are trying to help.
Say, remove your hand from my hand.
If you allow me to descend on you, you will forget your last name.
Remove your hand. Remove it.
Chidi.
What?
Remove it.
Leave me alone. What's all this?
I will join you.
Angela. You just pushed me because of that fool?
And so, what will you do?
You will take his place.
Oh, leave me alone.
Am I on this?
Chidi!
Angela, look. You look so beautiful this morning. So stunning. This is the full package I call my sister. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I want to say I am very sorry for what happened the last time. I promise it won't happen again.
Chidi, what do you want? Say it, I'm running late to work already.
Okay. You're not the one rushing. It shouldn't be as if I just came and then. So let me just tell you. It is about the thing I told you the last time. I needed this money.
Chidi, I don't have money now, please.
Angela, I thought you have received your last month's salary.
I have not.
Angela, today is 10th.
Chidi, you heard what I said. Please excuse me.
Angela.
Give me money. I'll work my ass out and give me this.
So all the pleasantries I give you, you do not even give me anything. Mumu girl. All the hail is nothing for me. Waste of pleasantries.
You saw what this boy did yesterday. Why can't he let Cheta be?
Honey, be patient with him. With time, he will change.
You said with time. How old is he today?
I know, but you...
But what? No, tell me.
Sweetheart, you know how it is with children.
Elizabeth, stop defending this illegality. Chidi is no more a child. But warn him, if he refuses to turn a new leaf, I will disown him.
No, sweetheart, it has not gotten to that extent. How can you disown your own child?
I've said what I said, and I'm up to work.
can he disown his own child because of another person's child? Elizabeth, you have to be careful from now.
Huh? Elro? Wait for me, I'll be there in 5 minutes. Oh, I'm coming.
Hey, you'll be where in 5 minutes? Where are you going?
I am going to work.
Nah, trouser pochi, bad dresser.
Sorry, I just finished using myself.
Well, so what useless work are you doing?
There's a building site I went to with my friend yesterday. I just joined them to serve the messing.
Yeah, Kimbo.
That is where I'm going to now.
What? That is not my business. I want to warn you to mind how you talk to my son in this house. This is his father's house. Mind how you talk to him. I hope I have made myself clear.
I don't understand.
You will understand when the time comes.
I thought you said the woman is fond of you and your sister.
Yes, but I can't understand the reason for the sudden change of attitude.
Then you have to be very careful with her. Something must have gone wrong somewhere.
I think you're right, because the way she spoke to me this morning shows that something is wrong.
You have to watch her from a distance to know exactly what is wrong with her.
Well, I don't even know where to stay again. I'm tired of that house. I'm tired of that place.
Listen, don't let her spoil your day. Let's go to work. I don't want the engineer to be there before us. Okay?
Let's go. Go. I've never felt this kind of pain I'm feeling now. The way I felt last night there, it was terrible. It was as if someone used iron on all my joints. I wouldn't have come out here today. In fact, I've decided to end with this job. I've decided. Why are you laughing?
Didn't I tell you yesterday to buy pain reliever? I told you now.
Bro, I didn't know it was going to be like that.
Listen, by the time you work today and tomorrow, you'll get used to it. Okay? It's a gradual process. Okay?
It's not easy. It's not easy at all.
That reminds me. What of your sister? Have you heard from her?
I spoke with her, and she's fine. She met a friend in school who is, I think the girl is rendering her some financial assistance.
Wow.
Yes. You know, my uncle cannot do everything for her.
Yes. You know, these days, to meet a good friend is very hard. Yes, very hard though. Very hard.
Come Aja.
Aja.
My brother, Taka.
See, Cheta. Let's go and continue work, please. Let's go.
Let's rest.
Rest, Kwa.
Yeah?
Why are we here now?
Mother, uncle. Mother, Oishi. Let's rest.
But why are we here? We are here to work. Let's go and work. Before these people start looking for us, please, let's go and work.
If you don't want to rest, I want to rest.
Just fasting everything. Let's go and work.
Mother, Oishi.
Na bread and car. Towalin. Car Towalin.
West Bakery.
Towalin.
West Bakery.
Be fast.
I'm asking God, why do you take me further away?
Cheta, why are you eating bread and granola this night?
Nothing.
Nothing? You and I know you're not used to all this. So tell me, didn't you eat?
I didn't eat.
You mean my mother did not give you food? What?
You see why I don't want to tell you anything. I'm okay, I'm not that hungry.
Excuse me.
Just get me to trouble now, okay?
I'm asking God.
Angela, I thought you have eaten. Where are you taking that food?
I'm taking it to Cheta.
You're taking it to who? Are you mad? My friend, drop that food. I said drop the food. Are you okay? Are you mad?
Why should he be starved when you have enough food in this house?
Who are you to talk back at me? Have you lost your mind? Are you mad? Eh? Look at you. Are you still...
Angela, what's the matter with you?
Only has refused giving Cheta food.
Yes.
Why?
I have my reason.
And what's your reason?
Best known to me.
You have no reason whatsoever to deny the boy his food. We have enough food in the house. Fully stocked. For Christ's sake, give the boy his food to eat. At times I don't understand you.
Instead of me to give him this food, I will eat. After eating, I will vomit it. Hey! Look at Sahano. Angela, would you know yourself, Mogo? Hey!
That was what happened. I came back to the room, but you're already sleeping. So, I didn't want to disturb you.
You know, I knew it was going to cause a problem. I never wanted you to complain to her.
I never knew my mom was this wicked.
My dear, let's just forget about that issue, okay? I'm so sorry for whatever must have cost you.
It's not your fault, Cheta. It's not.
I can see. I can see. Birds of a feather. No wonder you were so desperate to give him food last night. See you. Instead of you to destroy my home, I'll drive you out of this house. Get inside. Get inside. The froze are looking boom. The froze. Every day you just be loitering. Come and eat. Here, no point.
What is really good? She used to be very nice to me.
I'm asking God, why do you take my father away? I'm asking God, why do you take my mother away?
Good morning, sir.
I'm asking you, why do you choose for me to cry?
Serious boy.
Asking you, why do you turn back on me?
Well, I heard everything that happened when I wasn't around. Thank God. Finally, my mom has realized the kind of evil you are made of. That is good news. For me, the entire household, Have you had your bath? You stink. At least I have nostrils. I'll freshen up before I come back. Serious boy. Make sure you freshen up.
I'm asking God, why do you take my father away? I'm asking God.
Good day, man.
Will you shut up? So, this is how you do your job. You loiter the streets. When you come back now, you will claim you have gone to work.
I'm just coming back from where I went to look for a job.
Liar. See your life? A life of lies. When you come back in the evening now, you will expect me to give you food. Come and eat. Go ahead, loiter the streets. Aboro. Osaka. Bye.
No matter the circumstances surrounding me, I will focus on my destiny. Even when my enemies are against me, my eyes still on the target. Never to lose hope for a better day.
Where do I go from here? Is it no better I go back to the village than stay here and face this kind of hostility from my aunt and the son?
Cheta, what's the problem again?
Nothing. I'm just thinking about my life. Just thinking. I'm just thinking aloud.
Take.
What for?
Cheta. Take, in case you need anything.
Angela, must you spend this kind of money on me all the time? Must you spend this much on me?
Take now. Take. Okay? Just take. Take now.
Thank you.
Good girl. Good girl. Stupid girl. So Angela, this is what you now do. Flirting with this. Huh?
Then how is that your business? How?
Angela, I asked you for money the other day. What did you tell me? I haven't been paid my salary. But here you are, giving money to a total stranger.
He's not a stranger, Chidi. He's not!
Ah. Look at you. At your age, you're in somebody's house, receiving tips, jubilating. You should be ashamed of yourself. He's not a stranger. I see.
What's all this?
We shall see. Your money to a stranger.
Hey.
We shall see.
are you going to do to me? Nonsense.
Thank you so much. Oh?
You're welcome, Chita. Let me go and relax, okay?
It's okay.
Right.
No matter the circumstances surrounding me, I will focus on my destiny. Even when my enemies are against me, my eyes still on the target. Never to lose hope for a better day. Never to lose hope for a sunny day.
Wow. What a big surprise. Gee, how are you?
I'm fine.
Wow, you're looking good.
Really?
You didn't even inform me that you're coming back.
I did.
You did not.
I thought I did.
No, Chi, you did not tell me that you'll be coming back.
I told you. What are you saying? I told you.
Anyway, whatever. How is school?
School is fine. I mean, I'm just done with my first semester exam.
And how was your exams?
Oh, wonderful. Trust me, you know what I can do, right? I finished work.
Wow.
You know I've got this in my head.
You're looking good.
You too.
Come on, let's go.
Shoma, how are you?
Oh, cool.
Come and give me a hug, baby.
Auntie, how are you? Auntie, are you okay? You don't look bright.
Never mind, eh? Oh, you are home for holidays, eh?
Yes, Uncle.
So, how was your exams?
It was good, it was good.
I expect you to come out with first class.
Thank you, sir. I will, definitely. Thank
You're
you,
welcome.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Come on. Let's go inside.
Alright.
You know,
What's going on?
I don't understand. Come and eat food.
Why was she behaving like that?
Come. She's been so hostile to me ever since that day. She's never pleased with anything I do in this house.
This is incredible. And you never bothered to tell me about it.
I never wanted to bother you or to disturb you with your studies.
No wonder. No wonder she was so indifferent when she saw me.
Could you believe that that woman opened her mouth and told me that Dad and Mom died a shameful death out of their evil deeds?
What? How could she? How could she say such a thing? Eh? Is that because we're living in her house?
Please, bring down your voice.
I would not have her insult my late parents. What kind of talk is this? Hey!
Voice, please.
I don't blame her. Dad! That's why did you take our parents away from us? God, I know you're hearing this, oh! I know you are hearing this!
Shoma, please.
What kind of thing is this?
Just calm down.
Just imagine.
Stop.
Oh God, why did you allow our parents to die? Why?
Stop it. It's okay.
Hey! Oh God.
Oh my goodness. I need to call Chloe to know if she's gotten home. Hello? Chomi.
What's up?
I'm fine, darling. What's going on? Are you home now?
My journey was successful. What about you?
Oh, I'm great. I just remembered that I haven't called you. How is your brother?
He's okay. He's here with me.
Oh, great. Let me speak with him.
Okay, let me give him the phone to speak with you. My friend.
Hello.
Hello. How are you doing? I've heard so much about you.
Okay, thank you so much. So how are you?
I'm fine. Okay, I just thought to check up on you. I hope to see you one day, okay?
Yeah, someday we'll see. It's a promise.
Alright, no problem. Alright, show me the phone.
It's okay, good night. Take care.
So, are you happy now that you've spoken with him?
Get away, big head. Alright, take care of yourself, girl. I'll speak to you later.
Good night.
Good night. Okay. What's going on Twitter?
Hey.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. I have to start going now. Go has called me twice and he's waiting.
No. You have to eat something.
I'm in a haste, Choma. I have to go now.
Remember the job you're going to do is a tedious one. You have to eat.
I can imagine.
Eat. Don't joke with your breakfast.
Bye.
Eat your food. So they can carry anything carryable. Anything liftable, you lift it.
Chibai. If you insist, who am I to say no?
Nice.
What is going on here?
Good morning.
So you and your useless brother have turned my kitchen into a dining room. Am I not talking to human beings?
You are. Not really.
Come on, take that thing out of here. Get out.
Hey. No matter the circumstances surrounding me, I will focus on my destiny. Even when my enemies are against me, my eyes still on the target. Never to lose hope for a better day. Never to lose hope for a sunny day. Never to lose hope for a better day. Never to lose hope for a sunny day. Cause after the rainfall comes the sunshine. After the night,
But I'm sorry, you know. How's Wahala? What happened? Just forget about it. Where's the engineer?
He left this with me to give to you.
Let me see.
He went to the new site. They have started laying pegs.
Ah.
Yes.
Is this the plan for the new house?
Yes.
Ah. There are some mistakes on this.
Excuse me.
Sorry. You go?
Huh?
Where is the engineer? I need to speak with him. Because, yes, if he continues with this plan, the house, rather the building will never be fantastic.
How do you mean?
See what I mean? See, there's a lot of mistakes here.
I don't know anything here.
Sorry. No.
It's me who go. I'm not the engineer. You're sure you
No, go. This plan needs to be amended.
Amended?
Yes.
Let me get you pen to amend it.
Not here, go. No, now see what I'm showing you. Ah, no. Look at this place.
It's black and white.
You go. So sorry, you won't understand what I'm saying. No, I need to speak with the engineer.
When the engineer is back now, you meet him and talk to him.
Yes, I really need to talk with him because this the building will never be fantastic. Never. We need to amend it. Okay, see what I'm telling you. Now look at the place. They need to...
That's alright. It's alright. I mean, for that kind of car, 5 million is not too much for the clearing. It's okay. So just send me the account details, then I will send the money across. Okay?
Okay, good afternoon, sir.
Let me have my briefcase, please. That's okay. I'll see you around. Oh.
Good day, Chief.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm sorry for the delay. So the traffic that you
It's no problem, sir.
drop the briefcase. Excuse us. Oh, so.
Daddy!
My daughter.
Welcome back. How was your day? Okay.
Yes.
Take the briefcase.
Yes, take it to us. So, how was work at the site today?
Well, actually, Chief, there is a little problem. We couldn't start work today because of what I told you on the phone.
Oh. About the error that that young man discovered on the building plan?
Yes, Chief.
But how are you sure that young man is correct?
Well, actually, from what he said, I think he has experience about architecture. He even volunteered to do another building plan if given the opportunity.
Okay, in that case, I would like to see that young man.
Okay, sure.
So tomorrow morning, you can come with him to come and see him.
It's okay, Chief. I beg to take my leave now.
It's all right. Have a nice day.
You too, sir. My regards to the family.
Yeah.
Why is this plate unwashed? Chioma! 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 Why is this plate not washed? Come this way. Why is this plate not washed?
I just finished washing plates not quite long. So I think Chidi must have used it in eating.
Are you expecting him to come and wash it by himself? Come here. Mom! Shut up.
asking God, why do you take my father away? I'm asking God, why do you take my mom?
You mean your mother did this one?
Yes, Daddy.
What did you do to her?
I didn't do anything.
Take her to the chemist, eh? Tell him to treat her.
Okay, Daddy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Why did you harm that innocent girl? She came here with blood gushing out of her face.
She has reported to you. No problem. The battle line has been drawn.
Why would she report to me? I mean, why would she report to me? Look at what you did to someone's daughter and you are happy about it.
Those children lack manners. I will not have anyone come into my home to destroy it. No!
Elizabeth, let this be the first and the last warning. Let today be the first and the last day you ever raise your hand on her.
Then warn them.
She is my brother's daughter.
Warn them.
If you have forgotten.
Warn them! Or be ready to beat me. I will not take rubbish in this house. Call them or let them come and clean this thing. Let her come back and clean this thing.
Good afternoon, Mr. Femi. You're welcome.
Thank you, Chief.
Is this the young man you're talking about?
Yes, Chief. His name is Cheta.
Cheta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, young man.
Sir.
How did you know there is an error in a design given to me, produced for me by a professional architect?
So I was a student of architecture in the State University.
A graduate of architecture?
No, sir, I did not graduate. I dropped out in my year 3.
Why?
Sir, I lost my both parents. They were kidnapped and killed. So in that way, I couldn't continue with my education. I have to drop out from school.
I'm sorry. Anyway, I need the design to be the exact one that is in that plan. Yeah? So all you need to do is just make changes in the areas you think the errors are. I don't know how many errors there are, but I assume it's not much. Yeah? Can you achieve that within 3 days?
I will try, sir.
Good. So as soon as you're done, send it to me through Mr. Femi here.
Yes, sir. I will. Right? I will.
Mr. Femi.
Sir.
I will be expecting your feedback as soon as it finishes.
It's alright, Chief. Have a nice day, sir.
You too.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, hey, no matter the circumstances surrounding me, I will focus on my destiny. Even when my enemies are against me, my eyes still on the target. Never to lose hope for a better day. Never to lose hope for a sunny day. Hey, never to lose hope for a better day. Never to lose hope for a sunny day. Hey, cause after the rainfall comes the sunshine. After the night, morning must come. There may be so much sorrow.
Welcome. Thank you. Has Angela left for work?
Yes.
Has it been long?
Yes.
Thank you.
I will focus on my destiny, even when my enemies are against me. My eyes still on the target, never to move.
You were the ones I cherished so much in this world that you really dealt with me. It's unimaginable.
I'm asking God, why do you take my father?
What are you doing?
I'm just thinking about Dad and Mom. Their exit from this world is a big mystery.
They are gone, and gone forever. Okay? The earlier we carry on with our lives and focus, better for us. Okay? There are a lot of people out there that don't even know their parents. But we are opportune to have known our parents. So we should give thanks to God. Come on, stop crying. Okay? Stop crying, it's okay.
Were you able to see the man?
Yes. I met with him. He's a rich man. Very rich man. He gave me a fresh plan to draw. And I have only 3 days to do that.
Are you sure you'll meet up?
Yes, I will. The contractor gave me the old plan to work with, so I won't make any mistakes. Anyway, I thought I would meet Angela at home. I want her to lend me some money so I can buy some materials for the work.
How much are they going to pay you?
Fortunately, I am doing it for free.
Are you serious? That means you have to wait for Angela to come home, or better still, call her on the phone. And their father has gone to work. If not, I would have said you should go and meet him.
Never mind. I'll find a way out. Come on, be yourself, okay? Stop crying.
I'm asking God, why do you take my father away? I'm asking God.
I think this is the work he was bragging about last night. I am going to make him suffer.
Oh no, Cheta, just keep it to yourself in case you need to get another thing. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yeah, see you later.
Okay, thank you.
And make sure you finish that work before you come back.
I will.
Alright.
I will.
Bye-bye.
What happened? Who took this plan?
What are you doing in my kitchen?
You know, I am looking for my building plan.
Looking for your building plan in my kitchen? Are you stupid?
No, I'm not stupid.
My friend, get out of here!
I'm sorry.
Get out!
But ma'am, did you see it somehow, anywhere, anyhow?
So you think that if I see it, you will ever get it back? Get out!
Ma, did you call me?
Who called you? Get out!
Okay, I thought.
Stop touching and get out! You thought. I wish I could see it. If I ever see it, he will never have it back.
John, did you see the building plan I came back with yesterday?
No. I thought you were making use of it in front of the house.
Yes. I came back from where I went to buy my drawing materials. Then, went inside to answer Angela. When I came back, I couldn't find them again. And I've searched everywhere.
Have you searched inside our room?
John, I just said that I've searched everywhere. I couldn't find it.
Did you search well?
Yes! Eh?
Yeah? What is that you're doing? What are you doing here? Eh? Have you ever seen my children do this here? Have you ever seen them wash clothes here?
I'm sorry, ma.
Yeah, sorry, ma. That is what both of you are good at. My friend, move that thing to the back of the house. Tell them, take them to the back of the I'm seeing you.
I don't know. I am confused. And I'm supposed to deliver this work after tomorrow. How am I going to explain to Chief that the original plan he gave me as a guard got missing? How?
If I am to advise you, I would say you should draw a new plan.
That man wants the original stuff he gave me. the main thing, that is what he wants, except the areas I'm supposed to do some corrections.
Angela, welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Cheta, don't tell me you've not seen the plan.
I'm not.
That means someone must have taken it.
I don't know. I don't know.
Did you ask Chidi?
I did not ask him.
Why now? Should have asked him because the plan cannot just disappear. It's not like I'm suspecting him, but you just have to ask him.
Hi.
Chida, I think Angela has a point. You should ask Chidi. Ask him.
Chidi, please, I'm looking for a building plan. I don't know if you came across it. Chidi, I'm talking to you. Did you see it?
Cheta, I am a very peaceful human being. Please. In fact, leave this place this moment.
Chidi, why are you shouting? I just asked you a question. Yeah? And you're shouting. Yeah? Did you see it? Hey! Chidi!
What did you just do right now? Eh? What did you just do now, Chidi?
Chidi, what me to do what? Did you just talk to me?
Listen, let me promise you one thing. If I forget this thunder on those your cheeks that look like pawpaw, there'll be oil everywhere on the ground. Whose house is this? Your father's house? It is my house.
Now you listen to me. This rubbish has to stop in this house! Because you fried your hair? Eh?
What is going on?
Chidi, pour me dirty water.
Just look at my brother's body! Look at his body!
So?
Mommy. Mommy, the worst has happened.
Tell me about it.
Mommy, the worst has happened. Mama, these two called your son a thief.
What?
Said I stole his drawing book or whatever he calls it. Mommy, they have to leave this house.
What?
Ma, I did not accuse him.
Will you shut up? I know what you can do. I have told you. If you know where you kept your building plan, go there and collect it and stop accusing my son. You cannot come here and destroy my home. I've said that.
Mommy, tell them. Whoa. Look at these two Jonas. I am the fish Jesus sent. I will swallow both of you. I promise. Fish. Alright?
He said,
oh yeah, now. When I talk, keep moving.
No, what did you say? Fry my son.
Keep moving. When I talk, you move.
Come here. Come. What kind of water did you pour in?
Ordinary water.
You are a fool. What happened to hot water, boiling water? Eh? And I'm sure the water was clean.
Mommy, let's check it. But mommy, they called
hey,
your son a thief.
Just shut up. Shut up. Ini Chukafa. Shut up. Pour them cold water under this hot sun. And you're bragging that you did something.
me. My bragging rights are...
Shut up!
How much are they asking? 150 million. It's alright. You just complete your inquiry before evening and get back to me. Yeah. Maybe tomorrow you can take me there. I would like to see the house myself. It's alright. Bye. Femi?
Sir.
That was my barrister. The house came out at the government estate and I'm interested in buying it.
Oh yeah, I think that place is really nice, sir.
Oh yes, it's a fine place. I like it so much. Actually, there was a time I was to buy one there, but I had so many projects on my hands, so I couldn't afford it then.
I understand, sir.
Yeah. So, what of the young man? Have you heard from him?
Yes, sir. He called me and he said something about losing the building plan I gave to him.
What?
Yes, sir. And he's actually begging if you can give him time to prepare another one.
No. He lost the original plan?
Yes, Chief.
That guy must be careless and stupid. Does he know how much it cost me to prepare that plan? Hey. Look, you just tell him that he has from now till tomorrow to provide that plan or I will lock him up.
Chief, actually, before now he explained some things to me about his accommodation. Chief, I think someone stole it just to purposely punish him.
So what are you trying to tell me now?
Chief, please, I beg you to give him some time to prepare a new one. Chief, I strongly believe that he will come up with something better than the former plan.
Look, Femi, I don't like this. I don't like it at all.
Please, sir, you can count on me this time. Let's just give him some time.
Hey. No matter the circumstances surrounding me, I will focus on my destiny. Even when my enemies are against me, my eyes still on the target. Never to lose hope for a better day. Never to lose hope for a better day. Never to lose hope for a sunny day. Never to lose hope for a better day. Never to lose hope for a sunny day. Cause after the rainfall comes the sunshine. After the night, morning must come. There may be so much sorrow through the long night, but the morning comes with joy. It may look like I've lost it all, but yet I know a better days ahead of me. It may look like all hope is gone and all is lost. I will focus on my destiny, even when my enemies are against me. My eyes still on the target, never to lose hope for a better day. Never to lose hope for a better day. Never to lose hope for a sunny day. Never to lose hope for a better day. I'll never lose hope for a sunny day. Yes, I keep my eyes straight to the target. I never lose hope, cause I know one day is one day. I'm gonna smile again. It doesn't matter if I love. lost my parents. Doesn't matter.
Cheta, you're still awake.
Yes.
Cheta, you need to rest. You need to rest. Look at the time. It's 1 a.m. in the morning. Eh?
Chuma, no. I need to submit this project. I've already failed my contractor. I need to make it up with him.
You've been like this since yesterday. Do you want to kill yourself? Eh?
Oh, I'm already eating dawn. Fine, okay.
Matter the circumstances.
Shut up. For your information, I built this house when you were not in. So why what you say before me?
Well,
My son, go well. God be with you.
Thank you so much.
I have one thing to tell you. It is good news that finally you are leaving this house. And as you leave, never return to this house. Do you get me?
You shut up your mouth then. So thank you. You always up. I don't understand this. Why all this